The Seagull Shoal is a real paradise for birds. The reserve is located on both sides of the Vistula, which since the 19th century has been led through an artificial canal called Przekop Wisły. The Seagull Shoal and the Bird Paradise Reserve together create the Vistula Mouth Special Protection Area, which is listed in Natura 2000 European Network of Protected Natural Sites. All countries of the European Union are obliged to maintain and protect. This place is very attractive for birds. There are a lot of sandy islands on which birds feel safe both from people and their natural enemies. In the reserve, the majority of birds are various species of seagulls and terns, especially little tern, sandwich tern, common tern, Arctic tern. Shelter founder also lesser sand plover, Kentish plover, and Egyptian plover. But there live not only birds. We can observe the otters, beavers, and the Baltic seals longing on the sand islands. Reserve is also rich in fauna values. There are over 450 species of vascular plants. The most valuable specimen is Vinaria odora, which is protected as a part of Natura 2000 and Seagull. In the reserve is a special path from which we can see and admire the beauty of wild nature. This place is worth going to.